Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Craftsman. I'm so happy you're here today. Today, I've got something really fun for you. A quick and easy DIY crochet gift idea, perfect for a last-minute surprise. You can make it into a magnet, a wall hanging, a keychain, or even a little bag charm. And the best part? It's totally beginner-friendly. I'll guide you step by step. So stay with me till the end, because I've got some extra tips waiting for you. Pick the colors you love, bright or soft. It's your choice. That's what makes each project so special. All right then, let's jump right into the materials we'll need. For this project, we're using 4 colors of 100% acrylic yarn. Pick shades you love. This is your project, your style. For the hook, I'm using a 1.75mm crochet hook. But don't worry, if yours is a bit different, it'll still work beautifully. We'll also need a little ring, about 3mm. You can use a curtain ring or even a toy ring, and of course, a keychain clip. Simple, right? And if you enjoy these tutorials, don't forget to hit subscribe. Give this video a like and share your thoughts in the comments. I really love hearing from you. Your support means so much. It truly helps Crochet Craftsman grow and keeps me inspired to make more for you. Let's begin by creating a little tree shape right inside the ring. Cute detail, super simple. With brown yarn, make a slip knot and chain 6. Nice and easy, take your time. Start in the second chain and make 5 single crochets in a row. Keep your tension relaxed. We're just warming up. Chain 1, turn your work. Perfect, just like that. Into the first stitch. Make 5 single crochets across. Nice and steady rhythm. Chain 1, and turn again. Keep repeating. 5 single crochets, turn, until you reach 5 neat rows. Looks great, right? At the end of row 5, chain 1, cut the yarn, and switch to green at the beginning. Smooth color change. Love it. Attach your green yarn into the first stitch, and chain 5. Tall and pretty. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Nice height, so clean. Chain 2. And in the next stitch, another double crochet. Again, chain 2. Double crochet in the next stitch. Lovely spacing, gentle arches. Chain 2. And in the very last stitch, 1 double crochet. Perfect, all lined up. Together with the beginning chain, we've got 5 double crochets in a row. Chain 1, snip the yarn, and we're ready for the next step. Attach yarn into the third chain. Chain 3, nice simple start. Into the first space, make 4 double crochets, then pull through the top, and there, our first popcorn stitch. Chain 3, then another popcorn in the same space. chain 3, then into the next spaces. 2 popcorns, each made with 4 double crochet, separated by chain 3. Pop, pop, so pretty. After finishing the last popcorn, chain 1, cut the yarn. That's a lovely section done. Now, let's place our tree design right inside the ring. This is the fun part. It comes together beautifully. Let's move on with the 4th color. Choose one that makes your design pop. Insert your hook through the top of the first popcorn and through the ring. Then secure with a single crochet. Feels solid now. In the space between popcorns, add 3 single crochets around the ring. Fills in nicely. On top of the next popcorn, 1 single crochet. Then, between popcorns, 3 single crochets with the ring. Lovely balance. Keep going like this. Popcorn top, then ring, until you've worked them all. Relaxing rhythm, right? When you reach the last popcorn, place 1 single crochet on top. Continue filling the ring with single crochets until you meet the brown part. Nice curve forming. Keep your stitches even and gentle. It makes everything look neat. After the last popcorn, work about 15 single crochets around the ring, steady and smooth. Don't stress if your count is off. Just space them evenly. It'll still look great. At the base of the tree, add 5 single crochets side by side to anchor it firmly to the ring. From the last popcorn to the brown section, continue with 15 single crochets, smooth and round. See that shape? It makes such a neat, tidy circle. Finally, slip stitch into the first single crochet to close neatly. Lovely finish. Go around the ring. Chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch. Makes a pretty braided edge. Such a small step, but it adds a sweet decorative finish. At the end, chain 1, cut the yarn, and close with an invisible join. Clean and seamless. All right, our base is done. Yay! Now it's time for the fun finishing touches. At the very top, attach your keychain clip. Give it a little check. Make sure it's secure. If it feels a bit loose, just pinch it tighter. Now it's nice and snug. Now let's add a tassel at the bottom of the ring. Adds a fun little swing. Pick any color you like for your tassel. Go bright or soft, it's your choice. Cut about 5 strands of yarn, each around 10 centimeters long. Trim later if needed. If you'd like a longer tassel, just cut longer strands. Easy tweak. That's everything I wanted to share with you today. Thanks for spending time with me. I really hope this video has been helpful and maybe a little relaxing too. Before you go, don't forget to hit subscribe. Give this video a like and share it with your loved ones. Your support truly means so much. See you in the next crochet tutorial. Take care.